Welcome back. I'm Reep, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today, we have some underrated heat, man. Especially for the price that I paid. I couldn't pass up on the shoe. I've been wanting this particular style, a particular model for a while. But I didn't want to pay retail, even though retail isn't that much, considering the other stuff that, we tend to buy, especially me. But, some stuff I just feel like I can get for under retail, and this was one of those pairs. And I actually got these from ASOS. So I got clothing from ASOS, but never shoes. But I saw these for a great price on a different site, but of course it didn't have my size. So I spent the rest of that night trying to find these, and luckily I stumbled upon them on ASOS in my size. And for the price, I mean, it was a good price. It wasn't the price that I wanted to pay, but it was close enough. So, when it comes in the bag, you gotta worry about the box getting damaged. Yeah, the box is pretty decent. The front flap is actually inside the box, but I mean, it's whatever. So you got the Club C Revenge, size 12. Official colorway is white, mid, pin, and punber, I guess. I don't know, whatever punber is. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, size 12, of course. Let's go ahead and look at these together. Oh, they're individually wrapped, so never mind. Go ahead and take one of these joints out. Yeah, these joints are tough. So here you go, the Reebok Club C Revenge. Is it gonna focus? There we go. This is a clean shoe, man. Definitely old school throwback vibes. That's the new wave, the whole vintage look. But these are definitely clean. The leather is very soft on these. Definitely surprised about that. Dang, yeah, these joints are super soft. So, wow, I just like the colorway, something different. The back tab. You got that Reebok logo and that hint of burgundy or maroon. And then the actual Reebok logo going on the side is like an army green or like a forest green. I'm sorry, it's more of a forest green. And then you're going around that toe cap. You got a suede, kind of like an off-white or tan, I want to say. Like a tan toe cap. And then you got the all-white toe box, with the perforated dots or the holes going up. You have your soft leather tongue. You got the Reebok Classic tongue tag. The Reebok in green. The Classic in gold with the Reebok logo with that maroon and green colorway. And then you got the off-white vibes on the tongue, on the back of the tongue, because you got that exposed foam. Reebok from a tradition over 100 years. These athletic shoes meet the demand for quality and performance required by today's athlete. And I didn't know this was an actual tennis shoe back in the day. And the C actually stands for champion. So Reebok Club Champion. I mean, that's what Google said anyway. I do my Googles with certain reviews. Then you got your non-marking outsole, if that's coming in. There you go. But yeah, overall, man, definitely a clean shoe. Something that you won't see often. And then like the, I guess the ankle collar, sock liner. I know there's been like a discrepancy of what a sock liner is or whatever you want to call it. The inside of the shoe, okay? The inside of the shoe, you got that maroon insole, and then right here at the ankle part, if you can see it, it's like a towel material. That's the best way I can describe it. It feels and looks like a old towel or something. So it should be comfortable to the foot. But yeah, this is definitely a dope shoe, man. Glad I was able to get these for the low. I believe I paid $56 for these. So they retail at, I want to say $80. Yeah, I don't know, but I want to say they retail at 80. I got these for 56. The first price that I saw was 45, which would have been even better. But I mean, $60 for a shoe that I'm definitely gonna wear, especially in time for the fall. I know the weather is changing now. You can see hoodie and scully season is upon us finally, man. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you like what you saw, you know, if you're a Reebok fan, you probably already subscribed. But if you haven't done so, maybe you forgot, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. It's free. And also click that bell because I do have another pair on the way. So I basically got 2 for the price of 1. So stay tuned for that one. And I'm more excited to see that one in hand than this one. And this one definitely exceeded my expectations. Especially with the hits of color, and then you got the contrast with the midsole and the upper of the shoe. Definitely old school all the way. Even though I wasn't around in the 80s, you know, I was born in 92. But I can appreciate the 80s culture, the 80s vibes, you know what I'm saying? The fashion, sneakers, everything between like the 80s and early 90s, even though I wasn't around for the 80s and the early 90s. I was a baby, so you know what I'm saying? But you can definitely appreciate the vibes and the culture. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, man. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed looking at these drinks, man. I can't wait to throw these on. But yeah, Springy Boy, eat out, Reek. On to the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.